Hello students of Standard 10. Today we shall study Defense Studies, Chapter number 6, Career Opportunities in the Armed Forces. And I, your master, Zakir Hussain, will help you to understand different career opportunities in the armed forces which are available for your career making. So let's begin with the first topic, that is career opportunities in the armed forces. Children, serving the nation is very important, and through this chapter you will come to know where you can serve this country in three different areas means armed forces, naval forces and air forces. So let us begin. Career opportunities in the armed forces. Please note the following: the information provided is to be treated as a guideline. The Bal Bharati or the board of authors, compilers and the publisher bear no legal or moral responsibility for the authenticity of this information. So don't claim this information was given in the textbook, so we did. You check, counter check, but this will act as a guideline for your career opportunities in the armed forces. Read employment news for advertisement related to recruitment. This is the best employment news paper. It's a tabloid, weekly or fortnightly. It is published, and this newspaper, employment news, various opportunities, various vacancies are announced of government as well as private. So one should start reading it. Visit concerned website for the further latest information. Nowadays you have website also available, so you can easily click on the given website and gather information. Officers in armed forces, entries after 10 plus 2, that is after 12th standard. Please refer to the UPSC and armed services website and employment news for schedules and latest parameters. So today we are mentioning the things, the criteria, the eligibility which is mentioned here in this book must have now changed, so you have to counter check. National Defense Academy, NDA, it is in Pune. Technical entry for the Army and the Navy. Armed Forces Medical College, AFMC. Armed Forces Medical College entry for nursing stream. So these are the various opportunities of employment opportunities for a person in armed forces. We'll continue the next. Which are the other one? You can see in the picture, girls, there is a squad of girls. There are two squads of girls, and one in the middle you can find squad of gents or boys, gents. Officers in armed forces, entries after graduation. So the previous slide you have studied how you can get job after doing 10 plus 2, that is 12th standard. Now in this slide you are going to study about officers and armed forces. One can get entry level after graduation, can be attempted while in the final year of graduation. If you have not attempted your final year, still you are eligible for this vacancy through combined defense services entrance exam, permanent commission stream or short service commission stream, that is SSC stream. Short service commission means SSC. UPSC means Union Public Service Commission, and MPC is Maharashtra Public Service Commission. These are the three different boards which conduct exams for recruitment for the government post. Entry for engineers in all three services: legal cadre and education cadre. Note all entries except AFMC and nursing have SSB interview procedure. So there is an interview procedure for the AFC and nursing. Remove other than this, except this AFMC and nursing, you have SSB interview procedure. Let us study the next slide. Which are the other career opportunities in the armed forces? Entries in non-officer cadre. These are announced by the Directorate of Recruitment for entry as Jawans, Airmen and Naviks. Minimum qualification are 10 plus 2, that is 12. Some craftsmen are also recruited after 10th standard. There are also technical entries for diploma holders as direct recruitment at non-commissioned officer levels, Nayaks and Havildars or equivalent ranks in the Navy and Army force. Best part is given here, website for recruitment in the armed forces. You can click on that website and you can gather the information. For that is for Army, www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. For Navy, joinindiannavy.government.in. For Air Force, indianairforce.nic.in. So these are the links or the sites given for joining different forces. We'll continue. Other career opportunities in the armed forces. Websites for recruitment in Indian paramilitary forces. There are 5 forces. Border Security Force BSF. Site is given bsf.nic.in. Central Industrial Security Force CISF. www.cisf.nic.in. Central Reserve Police Force CRPF. crpf.nic.in. and Indo-Tibetan Border Police ITBP. ITB police.nic.in. Sashastra Seema Bal SSB. In the previous slide we have seen SSB. This is Sashastra Seema Bal. www.ssbrect.government.in. These are the 5 areas of paramilitary forces where you can recruit yourself. We can get opportunity to join Indian armed forces or Indian paramilitary forces. Now the medals. Gallantry awards for armed forces. Gallantry means very brave work done for the country and very difficult at the battlefield. Those for gallantry other than in the face of the enemy. Ashoka Chakra AC, awarded for most conspicuous bravery or some act of daring or preeminent act of valor or self-sacrifice otherwise than in the face of the enemy. Next is Kirti Chakra KC, awarded for conspicuous gallantry otherwise than in the face of the enemy. Shaurya Chakra SC, awarded for gallantry otherwise than in the face of the enemy. Besides acts of gallantry, there are also awards for other than gallantry actions and achievements. Some of these are Param Visishta Seva Medal for distinguished service of most exceptional order. Next is Ati Visishta Seva Medal for distinguished service of an exceptional order. Third is Visishta Seva Medal for distinguished service of a higher order. Next is Sarvottam Yuddha Seva Medal for distinguished service of the most exceptional order during war, conflict or hostilities. Uttam Yuddha Seva Medal for distinguished service of an exceptional order during war, conflict, hostilities. And Yuddha Seva Medal for distinguished service of a high order during war, conflict, hostilities. So these are the different gallantry awards for armed forces. Children, note one thing, there are no activities in this 6th chapter. This is just for your information. This chapter talks about the various opportunities you have in the armed forces. So there are no activities. So this is the 6th chapter of defense studies. We finish with the 6 chapters. We finish the portion. Remember, there are 5 chapters which have activities. Activities have to be completed and it has to be produced whenever I will be asking you to get it to school. Complete your book without fail. Don't forget, there are marks for this completion of work and activities. Thank you.